tomorrow I have a boat gig. It's gonna be an all-day thing. The next day I might have another boat gig. I'm not totally sure yet.
Oi, get off of there.
And the visibility is really poor. And this really big white animal just glides underneath me, probably 5 feet under me. Kind of felt like I might have startled it a little bit. I don't know what it was. About the size of a harbor seal, like a small harbor seal. Could have been that. We have seals around here, but I'd never see them that color. That was really light. So I just got in, and I'm gonna head home.
And then the day after that, I'm traveling back to Ellensburg, and we'll see. Okay, well, interesting. I am headed to a shoot in Ellensburg at the moment. It's not actually for the feature, but one of my new buddies that I met on the feature, he's shooting a project, and I am gonna do sound for it. And Dylan, who you've seen in the vlog, he's actually gonna DP it. So I'm really looking forward to this, kind of hands off the camera and lighting and just focusing on sound. That'll be really fun. But I got a call. I'm about halfway up to Ellensburg at the moment. And I got a call from my good buddy Jeff over at Mission House Ministries. Having some issues. Someone who is in the video is, they don't want them in the video anymore, so need to pull that down off the page today. And then they're looking to hire us out to make another video, something they can replace it with. So really looking forward to that. Also need to finish the bioluminescent video. I finally got the rental in from Lens Rentals. I might even have some more pyrodynos coming this way. So I need to finish that up next week. And yeah, I think that's pretty much everything. But for tonight, we're gonna focus on doing amazing sound. My good friend Brad Walker, he hooked us up with a Shure ULXD or a Shure UR1 and UR5, which are devices I hadn't actually even heard of before, but are very high quality, awesome Axient wireless UHF-R. So much nicer than the G3s that I'm used to using, or the F2s that don't have wireless. So we may or may not need to lav on this shoot from what I'm hearing from the DP, but either way, I'm happy to have those systems even just for the next couple weeks. And I'm gonna find an excuse to use them.
Let me try once more. Bum, bada, bum, bum, bum. We can have it all. You and I again.
I have the slightest mind of thinking.
Just
are we just
forgive
gonna
me, or I'll die.
like
Please
dressed up
let
as
me.
Just in the bathtub. This is not real. I gotta convince my brain this is not real. What's pretty real? This is actually how.
My bad. You gotta convince your brain it is real.
Exactly. This is my version of Spider-Man where like he shoots the web this way.
Oh god! And hairs come out and they wrap around you.
What if
Ew.
I get a BTS of the BTS?
Whoa! Alright.
Obviously,
It's not real.
With my shoulder on the edge of it.
Yeah, just try and wash all the blood down through it so it falls down.
Yeah.
Alright.
Time for your shot.
No, it's not real.
Let's get that over the sink.
Oh yeah. And you pushed me into the sink. We could have fell. We could have had a disaster.
I might do that.
I guess if you keep your arm like sort of upright, it should,
Just like that.
or like that. Because what essentially it's just a cup. It's like a pocket.
Yeah.
And I'm just working a lot of hours this weekend. So the hope is. But then she. I don't know. I need to text her.
Here and there, look at the tweezers. Think you can do that much?
Yo, look at my Rolex.
If you went into someone's bathroom and their tweezers looked like this.
Concerned. It feels so real. It's not.
Would it be easier to ball it first?
Yeah, I think we should ball it or
Is she a glow
something.
stick party? Are you going with Kat?
Yeah, this is. I've never thought I'd go through this in my life, and it's really cool. And you guys are the film opportunity to have a hair put in my skin.
Oh,
Okay, so the way that
Ew, it's got me with the stem too.
we need to chop it in half.
I think we might
too as well.
I think it's a lot of hair.
You want to do this since you're over there?
Sure.
Here at Central Washington University, we love to diversify the campus and all the experiences around. From songs made by Taylor Swift and Shawn Mendes, all the way to old hits and classics like Wu-Tang Clan and Ice Cube. Come on down with me to the ballroom and I'll show you what we can do.
Put a little bit more. I can wipe all this up later, so.
Howdy. Cool. Hot diggity.
I'm so disappointed.